Hare Krishna. On the occasion of Braj Mandal Parikrama, I thought today it's a great opportunity for me to share with you the glories of Tulsi Maharani. Tulsi Maharani is also called Vrinda Devi. I'm sure as part of the schedule today, you all would have visited Vrinda Devi, Vrinda Kunda. Tulsi Maharani is a pure devotee of Lord Shri Krishna and is very, very dear to Krishna. It is said that when the ocean of milk was being churned, Tulsi Devi was created by Lord Vishnu himself for the spiritual upliftment of the entire world. By worshipping Tulsi Devi, one can make quick advancement in spiritual life. All aspects of Tulsi Devi or Vrinda Devi, be it the leaves, the bark, the trunk, the roots, are all worshipable and are very, very dear to Lord Shri Krishna. That's why you see, even devotees, when they chant the names of Lord Shri Krishna, they use Tulsi beads. Tulsi Devi performed extreme austerities with love and devotion to Lord Shri Krishna and wanted a benediction that Lord Shri Krishna be her husband. The Lord fulfilled that desire of Vrinda Devi. Lord Shri Krishna or Lord Vishnu is very, very fond of Tulsi. The Lord very wonderfully, very eagerly, very enthusiastically accepts the garland of Tulsi offered to him. The devotees also offer Tulsi with Chandan at the lotus feet of the Lord. It is said that Tulsi can be offered at the lotus feet of only Vishnu Tattvas, like Lord Shri Krishna, Lord Rama, Lord Narayana, Lord Vishnu. Tulsi cannot be placed at the feet of Guru, spiritual master, or even Radharani. What devotees do generally is they place Tulsi leaf at the hand of Radharani so that she in turn can offer the Tulsi at the lotus feet of Lord Shri Krishna. So it is nice that if devotees can also incorporate worship of Tulsi Devi as part of their daily sadhana. Since Tulsi Devi is a devotee of Lord Shri Krishna, there are some do's and don'ts with respect to taking care of Tulsi Devi. First, we should avoid pruning or cutting the Tulsi, knowing that she is a devotee of Lord Shri Krishna. However, if there are some manjaris are small flower buds which has some seeds of Tulsi, it is good that as soon as they come up, we cut it. Otherwise, the seeds spill over and in due course of time, you will find many Tulsi plants sprouting up and it then becomes difficult to manage. And in case you want to pluck Tulsi for worship or for offering the bhogas to the Lord, it is best that we pluck the Tulsi leaf during daytime. We avoid plucking the Tulsi leaves after sunset. And there is a special prayer which I will be sharing with you, which is generally chanted when we pluck the Tulsi leaves. And it is also recommended that all the bhoga offerings which we make to the Lord, we can place a Tulsi leaf on that bhoga and the Lord very eagerly accepts such offerings. Worshipping of Tulsi Maharani or Vrinda Devi is very, very important aspect of worship of Lord Shri Krishna and is followed among all Vaishnava Sampradayas. In our temples also, every morning after Mangalarti, we have Tulsi Puja and we chant the following mantras. It's good that we understand what the mantras are and what are the meanings of those mantras. We chant Vrindai Tulsi Devyai Priyai Keshvasya Krishna Bhakti Pradidevi Satyavatai Namo Namaha. The meaning of this mantra is, I offer my repeated obeisances unto Vrinda Devi, Tulsi Maharani, who is very dear to Lord Keshava. O Goddess, you bestow devotional service to Lord Shri Krishna and possess the highest truth. So it is said that if we have to approach Lord Shri Krishna, it is good that we approach Krishna through his devotees. And one of the very pure, dear devotee to Lord Shri Krishna is Vrinda Devi. So we offer our obeisances to Tulsi Maharani. There is also a particular mantra which is chanted when we pluck the tulsi leaves for offering to Lord Shri Krishna. The mantra is Tulasi Amrita Janmasi Sadatvam Keshva Priyai Keshwartham Chinomi Tvam Varada Bhava Shobhame. The meaning of this mantra is, O Tulsi, you were born from nectar. You're always very dear to Lord Keshava. Now, in order to worship Lord Keshava, I am collecting your leaves and manjari. Please bestow your benediction upon me. Knowing that she is a devotee of Lord Shri Krishna, she is not an ordinary plant where we can just simply go and pluck. We offer our obeisances, and with her permission, we pluck the leaves for offering to Lord Keshava or Lord Shri Krishna. And in the morning after we do the Tulsi Arati, we also do Pradakshina. We also circumambulate Tulsi Devi. And the mantra we chant is Yani Kani Cha Papani Brahma Hatyadikani Cha Tani Tani Pranashyanti Pradakshina Pade Pade. The meaning of the mantra is, by circumambulation of Srimati Tulsi Devi, all the sins that one may have committed, even up to the sin of killing a Brahmana, is destroyed at every step of circumambulation of Tulsi Devi. At every step, the sins we have committed knowingly or unknowingly gets vanquished when we do Pradakshina of Tulsi Maharani. Every morning, devotees should water Tulsi Devi, pray to her and circumambulate her minimum of 3 times. The Skanda Purana says, the Tulsi plant is auspicious in all respects. Just by seeing, touching, praying to, or bowing before, hearing about, or sowing this holy plant brings all auspiciousness. That's why in Indian tradition you have every house will have a plant of Tulsi. It's part of the culture. So it said that just by seeing, not even worshipping, just by seeing, just by touching, by bowing down before, hearing about, sowing this holy plant brings all auspiciousness. Anyone who contacts Tulsi Maharani in any of the above mentioned ways lives eternally in Vaikuntha. This is mentioned in the Skanda Purana. One who offers even a single Tulsi leaf to Lord Shri Krishna gets the benefit of offering all other varieties of flowers, and he or she goes to the abode of Lord Shri Krishna. So there are many offerings which we can do to the Lord. Offering of foodstuff, offering in the form of money, offering in the form of our abilities, our strengths, our skills. But a very, very easy form of offering which everyone, even a poor man, can do is offer a Tulsi leaf to the Lord. A house where Tulsi Devi is present never falls on bad times, and it becomes purer than all holy places because she is all auspicious. She is a devotee of Lord Shri Krishna. Wherever there is devotion to Lord Shri Krishna, she manifests, and it makes the whole place very, very holy. In Kali Yuga, one who worships, remembers, plants, keeps, or performs Tulsi Kirtana quickly burns all sinful reactions and attains Lord Krishna's abode. This is something similar to what was mentioned earlier in the Skanda Purana. One who worships Lord Shri Krishna devotedly with Tulsi leaves releases all his or her ancestors from the bondage of birth and death. Just like we do Pindadana or Shraddha Puja, likewise, when we worship Tulsi Devi, it not only burns the sinful reaction of the person who is worshipping, even of our forefathers and ancestors are also benefited from such worship. So it was nice to share with all of you the glories of Tulsi Maharani, of Vrinda Devi, and I request all of you to make use of this wonderful opportunity we have to worship Tulsi Maharani and advance spiritually. Hare Krishna.